Do you remember friends? Yes, that centaur who protected Harry inside the dark forest in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone and later became the divination teacher at Hogwarts after Professor Trelawney. However, besides the fantasy fictions, you can trace back the presence of the centaurs in various cultures' mythologies. For example, in Greek mythology, centaurs are barbaric and troublesome, except, of course, Chiron, whom Homer described as the most righteous of the centaurs. But how was the first centaur born? According to Greek mythology, Ixion loved Zeus's wife Hera, which angered Zeus. Thus, he gave a cloud Nephili Hera's form, and Ixion's lustful nature allowed him to mate with it, and gave birth to Centaurus, who mated with a Magnesian mare and gave birth to a half man and half horse creature, the centaurs. However, centaurs are not restricted to only Greek mythologies. You will find these half human, half horse creatures in various cultures' mythologies. For example, consider this picture. It is a sculpture of a centaur or a half man, half horse creature from the Eastern civilization. The kingdoms in Egypt and the Middle East influenced the Greeks long before Homer. Now, here is another picture. These are the sculptures of Kinnaras. You can find these sculptures in the Ajanta caves in the Gulabkar area of the Jammu region in the Government Museum of Mathura and also in Sanchi. According to Mahabharata, the Kinnaras or the Kinnaris are musicians and lovers. They are half human and half horse, just like the centaurs. However, Kinnaras or Kinnaris can have the head of a man or a horse. They do not always have the head of a man, and at times they are half man, half horse and half bird. However, the half bird thing is primarily found in the Buddhist scriptures. We can discuss this in our later videos. So, what do you think about today's video? Did you like it? Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Signing off today. Bye bye.